Welcome to Home Decor Inspiration, the ultimate destination for all things interior design.
When it comes to crafting a personal space, your bedroom should reflect your personality, style, and functionality needs. A well-designed bedroom is not just a place to sleep, it's your sanctuary, your retreat, and even your workspace. Whether you lean toward classic sophistication or modern minimalism, we've got you covered. Today, we're diving into 5 brilliant bedroom ideas tailored for men who want their space to exude confidence and style. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have plenty of inspiration to transform your bedroom into a masterpiece. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment to share your thoughts or ideas. Modern minimalism. Simplicity is the ultimate sophistication, and modern minimalism proves it. This design style prioritizes clean lines, neutral colors, and functional furniture. Think of a low-profile bed frame paired with sleek, built-in storage. Stick to a monochromatic color scheme. Black, white, and shades of gray work wonders here. Add texture with materials like leather or metal to keep the space from feeling cold. This setup is perfect for the man who values a clutter-free, calming environment that still packs a punch in terms of style. Industrial charm. For the man who appreciates rugged aesthetics, industrial design offers a perfect blend of masculinity and character. Incorporate raw materials such as exposed brick walls, concrete floors, and reclaimed wood furniture. Opt for Edison bulb lighting fixtures or pendant lights with a metallic finish to complete the look. A leather armchair or vintage trunk as a side table can add to the charm. This style is ideal for those who enjoy blending functionality with a touch of history. Nature-inspired retreat. Bring the outdoors in with a nature-inspired bedroom. This design style is all about earthy tones, natural textures, and a sense of serenity. Use wooden furniture with a natural finish, soft green or beige walls, and layers of cozy textiles like wool or linen. Incorporate plants for a touch of life and freshness. A nature-inspired retreat is perfect for men who find solace in organic elements and want a peaceful space to unwind. If you're enjoying these ideas, take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Hit that like button if you're finding inspiration, and drop a comment below to share which design style resonates with you the most. Your engagement helps us bring you even more amazing content, so don't hold back. Bold and dramatic. Sometimes more is more. If you love making a statement, go for a bold and dramatic design. Deep, rich colors like navy blue, charcoal, or emerald green can set the mood. Pair these with metallic accents in gold or brass for a luxurious touch. Invest in striking artwork or a statement piece of furniture, such as a velvet headboard or a designer light fixture. This style is for the man who isn't afraid to push boundaries and wants his bedroom to be a true reflection of his confidence. Tech-savvy haven. If gadgets are your thing, why not integrate them into your bedroom design? Create a tech-savvy haven with features like smart lighting, a voice-controlled thermostat, and hidden charging stations. Opt for modern furniture with integrated tech elements, such as a bed frame with built-in USB ports or a nightstand with wireless charging. Keep the space sleek and futuristic with a neutral palette and minimal decor. This style is perfect for men who love innovation and convenience. Your bedroom is a reflection of who you are, and designing it should be an exciting and creative process. From modern minimalism to a tech-savvy haven, these ideas cater to every taste and need. Remember, the key to a stylish and masculine design lies in blending comfort, functionality, and personality. So, which of these styles will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And if you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring ideas and tips. See you in the next video. Happy designing!